Hello friends, today we are posting another video in ECnG channel where we have a patient Mr. Zakir who had a large perforation in his right ear, and he approached us and we did our non-surgical ECnG method on him, and after that his eardrum was completely got better. And here we have Mr. Zakir. Zakir ji, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
Hi sir. Hello everyone. I actually met with an accident when I got my eardrum damaged. So I approached Dr. Ankur, one of the best Ent specialists I can say. He suggests, I actually visited, first of all, I visited Asian hospital. They suggested me surgery for it, which I never wanted to go for. So I consulted him. He told me that we can get it fixed for you without surgery. There was a special technique, ECnG, I think that was the which he used. But it took time, like 15-20 days of time, but definitely my eardrum was perfectly fine. Now my hearing is back to the normal. I would definitely suggest everyone, if someone has any issues, please consult a doctor. He is one of the best, I can say.
Thank you, Zakir, and best of luck for your future.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much.
It was